Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I'm joined here today with Steve, and we have something quite special behind us. Steve, would you want to tell us what is this thing exactly?
This is a 1947 Chevy ice cream truck, Good Humor. It was built by Ken Edwards, and it took probably about 6 years to construct. And he just went over the top when he built this fine vehicle. It has big block Chevrolet, 517 cubic inches, 650 horsepower, connected to a turbo 400, connected to a gear vendors, overdrive transmission, connected to a Ford 9-inch narrowed rear with 410 gears. But the best thing about this truck, it can be driven anywhere. Kenny started the truck up, drove it about 100 miles around town, and decided he needs to do a road trip to Indianapolis Good Guys. So he filled it up with ice cream, put dry ice in it, drove it out to Indy, giving people ice cream along the way in the toll booths, drag raced it, car went 1150s, pulled its wheels off the ground, turned around, and drove it home. So it's a reliable truck because of the gear vendors. Kenny's a perfectionist, as you can see. A lot of parts on his vehicle is custom made, including the doors, the quarter panels, the fenders, blue neon up here. The gauges match the interior of the vehicle. He made the doors himself. Originally, his car did not have a door. It had an air compressor sitting where the seat is and a little bucket seat over there. Ken decided we need to put my kids in it, so he put a bench seat in it, and that was the story.
Right on.
I wired the vehicle with Kenny, but Kenny's the manufacturer and the one who built the car. I held the flashlight most of the time.
Well, there we go. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the two-tone blue and white color scheme that's going on in there, especially with the chrome accents and the blue wheel.
He did a wonderful job, Kenny.
Killer.
He did a wonderful
Now, we were speaking a little bit before this interview about the paint. Would you like to, talk a little bit about the story?
It's actually painted by Sells Auto Body. They also did the painting for Motion. I don't know if you ever heard of Motion Performance. Painted by the same people. Eddie the Striper, he's in Palm Coast Eddie now, because he moved from Long Island to the Palm Coast. He actually did the Good Humor logo on the door, including the trademark and everything else. The chassis includes a Trans Am front end clip into an original 47 Chevrolet chassis. The car's just a dream to drive, and like I say, he drove to Indianapolis. He could drive it anywhere.
And horsepower, what are we talking for something
about
like this?
650 horsepower, but if you turn the pulleys around on the blower unit, get up to 850 horsepower.
This thing goes, huh?
It runs.
That's
it runs.
really
It has the
awesome.
original bells also on it. The original Good Humor bells.
Right on. I love the dice too. Nice touch on there. Let's head to the rear of the vehicle and see what else is up on here.
There is a 4-inch exhaust system going from the front of the vehicle all the way to the back of the vehicle, coming out the bumpers. Has a rear camera, and the bed was completely taken apart, reskinned, and put back together. Dry ice, when you put dry ice in it, it lasts about 4 or 5 days, and they come out rock hard, the ice cream. But Kenny did an unbelievable job. Third brake light, blue neon again underneath.
I love the caution adults at play. That is super fun. Well, do you have any last noteworthy features you'd like to talk about, or is that pretty much it?
Pretty much it.
Absolutely gorgeous. I really appreciate your time today.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. I'd love to hear your comments down below on what you guys think of this build. Thanks again for watching. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.